Here with the family visiting the sick. Are you sick?
I'm sick.
I don't know, man. I don't know. Let's check your pulse. Let me see.
You don't check my pulse by checking my ear.
What's right here?
So what you guys think? Do you really think that this patient here is sick?
Ay.
He's sick on his head, maybe?
He's not sick. He just pretending to see the nurse.
Ah, yeah, you pretending, right?
No, no
Ah.
pretending. See, I got
Yo.
an IV. I'm sick.
I really want to try that. And you, what do you think?
Hey, I think that we all gotta get sick. Look, he has a feast over there. He got potatoes, bacon.
Oh, look up. Yo, that's why.
That's not potato chip. That's
He
crystals.
got cake.
Brother, you eating better than me, man.
I got milk. I got apple juice.
So what do you think?
He's probably not sick. He probably wants the nurse.
Ah, you want the nurse, right?
Nah.
Hey, ask him if he got some Snicker bar.
Oh, you got Snicker bar? So what do you think?
No, he's sick.
Wait, did you
Go
get
ahead,
ice
he's
cream?
sick in the hospital.
Ah,
Oh, you feel better.
okay. Hope you feel better.
I will.
Feel better.
I'll
See,
be-
Adam.
It will not pretend to come to you.
Ice cream? Yeah.
My brother, this is more like a son here.
Aww.
I mean, he's more like a son. We actually love him dearly. He's part of our motorcycle ministry. And when he gets sick, we get sick. So therefore, brother, I'm sick. Yo, we love you, brother, man. All right, man.
I can't keep my face straight.
Wait there.
Uh,